Hello everyone, welcome to Wrath of Math. I'm your host Sean E, and in today's video we're going over how to divide fractions. Pretty important skill and not too challenging, but be sure to pay attention, you'll want to know how to do this. So suppose we have the fraction 24 over 12 divided by, let's say, 8 over 6. It looks messy, takes up a ton of space, sucky thing about dividing fractions. Now, of course, it'd be a good idea in general to reduce your fractions as much as you can whenever you get the chance. I certainly advise that, but we will carry on here. So the unintuitive way to think about dividing fractions, I think, is dividing the numerator by the numerator and the denominator by the denominator and keeping them in their respective positions. So by that I mean changing this into 24 divided by 8 over 12 divided by 6. And if you do that, that's going to give you 3 over 2. So it's 3/2 is the answer. But the much easier way to divide by fractions is to multiply by the reciprocal. So 24 over 12 divided by 8 over 6, this is the sucker that you will multiply by its reciprocal. So instead of dividing this by 8 over 6, multiply it by 6 over 8. So this is 24 over 12, and now to divide it by 8/6, we're multiplying it by the reciprocal, which is 6/8. So we multiply it by 6 over 8, and this is going to give us 144 over 96. And now we can reduce these fractions a bit. 4 goes into both of these. So if we take 4 out of both of these, both the numerator and the denominator, that will leave us with 36 over 24. And 4 goes into both of those as well. So that will leave us with 9. Sorry, I made a mistake. That will leave us with 9 over 6. And 3 goes into both of these, which gives us 3 over 2. That's the answer we're looking for, matches that one. So that's the much more intuitive way to divide fractions. To divide one fraction by another, just multiply by the reciprocal. I'll show you one more example, maybe a generic one, to give you an idea of this concept generically. So here's the handy-dandy multiply by the reciprocal formula. Let's say you've got a fraction a over b divided by c over d. This nasty expression is equivalent, it's equivalent to a multiplied by d over b multiplied by c. So instead of doing some nasty division here, you just flip the c and d around, so d's on the top, c's on the bottom, and you multiply it by a over b. If you don't know how to multiply fractions, I've got a video on that as well, and that's similarly pretty simple. But I hope this video helped. I hope you understand how to divide fractions now. Let me know if any of it was confusing, if you need any more clarification in the comments, or if you have any video requests. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Be sure to subscribe for the swankiest math videos on the internet.
I can hear your voice from all the way up here, dear. Won't you please come to me? You love it up here, dear. There's a light where I